This verse mentions Qarun, or Korah, a man from the time of Prophet Musa alayhi salam.
إن قارون كان من قوم موسى فبغى عليهم وآتيناه من الكنوز ما إن مفاتحه لتنوء بالعصبة أولي القوة إذ قال له قومه لا تفرح إن الله لا يحب الفرحين.
Indeed, Qarun was from the people of Musa, but he behaved arrogantly toward them, and we had given him treasures whose keys alone would burden a group of strong men. Allah used Qarun as an example that wealth is a test, not a sign of greatness. Who was Qarun? He was from the same tribe as Musa, Bani Israel. In the beginning, he was a good man and a worshipper. Later, Allah gave him huge wealth, and he became arrogant, proud of his riches, and a tyrant who oppressed his own people. Why did Allah mention him here? The Quraysh of Mecca used to say things like, "If Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was truly chosen by Allah, he would be rich like us." So Allah reminded them, Qarun was extremely wealthy, yet Allah destroyed him because of his arrogance. Wealth does not equal success or closeness to God. How much wealth did Qarun have? The Qur'an says even the keys of his treasure chests were so heavy that a group of strong men could hardly lift them. This shows how unimaginable his wealth was, yet it did not save him. What lesson do we learn from this verse? Wealth can distance a person from Allah if there is no gratitude. Riches are a test, not a sign of honor. Arrogance and pride lead to downfall.